So right now I am in Aktau, in the port city of Aktau, in the far western corner of Kazakhstan, and this is my third last day. So day after tomorrow I'm flying to another country, and today I'm bringing you a rare beverage from Kazakhstan. So this is a red wine, a Kazakh red wine. Now normally we don't associate Kazakhstan with grapes or wine, but as Tajikistan proved me wrong with its wonderful wine, I decided to give Kazakh wine a try as well. And even the locals were surprised. So I bought this bottle from the supermarket. It costed around 1200 tenges, which is roughly equal to $2.10, 15 cents in Indian rupees. That would be like 180 rupees, 190 rupees. So like how can you go wrong with a $2, $2.50 bottle of wine? Somehow I managed to figure out that it is not a dessert wine, a sweet wine, because I don't like sweet wines. I prefer dry, semi-dry wines. So this one is semi-dry from what it says on the label. So it took me a while because I don't have a SIM card or active internet to just look it up. So I had to spend some time to figure it out. How I did it, if you are interested, then let me know and I'll tell you how to do it offline. There are some ways. So this is Zar Zar red wine. I have no clue where is it from or what kind of grape it is. Krasnoye, I don't know if that's the name of the grape. But after I brought it, the people in the hostel were surprised. They were like, Kazakh wine? Who drinks Kazakh wines? So let's give it a try. Nice little camels, as you can see. So I aerated it for 1 hour. I kept the bottle open for 1 hour so that it oxidizes and gets a nice bold flavor. The hostel I'm staying in is not the best, and I don't have any, they don't have any glass glasses or wine glasses, so I have to use my ever reliable mug. So just look at the color, because I won't be able to show you the color like I usually do. I'm gonna pour it slowly. There we go. So it has a ruby red color. It's very bold. I like it. It's very dark. Let's give it a nice stir. Even though the glass is far from me, I'm getting a very pleasant smell, like a smell of some garden, some oasis in the middle of the desert. Love the smell. Love the smell. It smells like berries, like blueberry, blackberry, something like that. Has a nice body. Time. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It has flavors of blackcurrant, black raisins. It has a spicy flavor to it, like not just an undertone, but proper spicy kick. It is semi-dry. It is the right amount of sweet. I can feel cloves, a hint of tobacco, but overall, amazing wine. Like I didn't expect, again, like $2.50 Kazakh wine. Everybody told me like, who buys Kazakh wine? Go for French, Italian. But as is my rule, I buy local. I don't buy liquor from abroad. So I buy liquor from whichever country I am, to reduce the carbon footprint and to support local businesses. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this wine if you travel to Kazakhstan. Zar Zar, as you can see, It is an amazing wine and beyond my expectations. I would give it 8.5 out of 10. Definitely go for it. And if you try it, then let me know what you think about it. And besides that, if you have had wines in a country which is not known for wine, then drop the wine names and the country names and your experience in the comment section below. Soon I'm thinking of inviting guests, so drop in the comment section your experiences with rare wines or rare beverages from around the world, and I will get in touch with you. So thank you for watching this show, and soon I'm going to see you from a proper wine country. Can you guess where I am going? Cheers.